On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a kid wearing a onesie. And why am I doing this? Because yesterday I went and visited a school and I was doing drawing and storytelling with them, and all the kids came in wearing their pyjamas and onesies, and I thought, oh, that's an idea. So I'm going to pencil out a basic kind of shape like this, and we're going to kind of want the feet about there, and I'm going to have a hand up there and a hand down there, and that's basically going to be it. So we kind of got a circle and a longish box. Onesies tend to have quite a long body, and then we're going to have the legs coming down like that. Now I'm going to make it a kind of a dinosaur kind of thing, so I'm going to do a little curve across the top first, and then I'm going to do this kind of crest or whatever it's going to be, scale things on the back of the dinosaur head, and I'm just going to bring that down there and bring that down there like that, and just let them kind of fade into nothing, and then come down about a third, I should think, and then we can kind of come sort of around like that and down into a point, and this is where the zip is going to be, so you can put that in there. And then we're going to want the face, so this is going to be quite a young kid hiding underneath this great big cowl of a dinosaur head kind of thing, so that'll be a fringe maybe coming in there, a bit more hair, and then maybe ears, and then we're going to want the eyes like that, a little nose and a smile, and we're going to have kind of the neck coming in there like that. And now we can bring an arm up here. I'm going to put a little kind of wiggle in there for a fold in the elbow, and then just quite round it there and come down. You can then come put wiggles in here as well, and then we're going to come up around like that, and here then again I'm going to come quite around in that arm part there, and we want to kind of a wiggle up there as well, which is going to be the sort of folds in the armpit this time, and we're going to want to have folds around there, and this is quite rounded there, and then we're going to have cuffs, so they will want to be something like that with a bit of ribbing in there, which you get with cuffs. If you're still watching, you obviously like drawing, so make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. And did you know you can get step-by-step sheets when you join my Patreon page? And then we're going to want a hand, so that will come out into the thumb, and then we're going to want 1, 2, 3 and 4 fingers with a little kind of arrow pointy thing in there. You could do extra little bits there if you want. That's the facing side of the hand, and this will be the back of the hand because it's facing the other way. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just moving that up a little bit so I can fit the slippers in. And what we're going to do is come down to the heel here, trying to see how far, much room I've got. And then we're going to go forward in a sort of a curve, come round the corner and then back to the heel. Down to the heel, go forward in a curve, around the corner and then back to the heel. And then we can put just a little bit of kind of heel and thing in there. And then slippers are generally kind of something like that, so you put this little kind of thing in there, and we could maybe put eyeballs on the slippers as well. You know what kids are like these days. And then I think we're going to want to kind of have a tummy kind of section in there, which would be a different colour. And then we're going to want some eyes here, I think, so we'll put 2 circles like that, and then the eyeballs, which are kind of like Pac-Man really, I suppose, something like that, and then 2 little kind of lemon slices for the eyebrows will be something like that. It's got an Angry Bird look about it, hasn't it? When you are sure that the ink is dry, and that wasn't, was it? That's what happens if you're not sure the ink is dry. Then you can erase the pencil lines. I'll completely muck that up. I can clean it up in Photoshop in a minute. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a bit of shading into there, just to kind of bring that forward a bit. And we can put a bit of shading underneath there and underneath there. And maybe a little bit just around there. And just these little bits of shading, just to give a bit of kind of shape to this shapeless thing that this child is wearing. That's the thing about onesies, is they are pretty shapeless, isn't it? And we're probably going to want a bit of shade under there, and maybe a bit there too. And I think we could put a bit of shade maybe on the slippers, and we can then put a bit of a line in the background just to kind of maybe a double line, like it's a wainscot in a room or something like that. And then we can just add a little bit of shade on the ground just to put our onesie kid on the carpet or on the floor or something like that. And then all you need to do is to add some colour. You can use watercolour, you can pencil, you can digitally do it like I'm doing, or you can use coloured pencils, whatever you like. And there you go, how to draw a kid in a onesie, real easy. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.